Hello guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye. Good afternoon, my people. Help me to share, my people. How na day? Also, na day fine, my lovely people. Help me to share, please. I'm going to share. Mona help me share. How na day? Also, na day fine. Also, na day fine. Happy Bethania. Tina today na Bethania. Bethania, see. Happy Bethania. How na day, my people? My beautiful, beautiful, beautiful people. Help me to share. Let me share also. Also, now they find my lovely people. Hope you are. Hope una they okay. Una they enjoy yourself. Help me to share, okay? Wanna help me share. May we talk a little bit. Yeah, share. And people, social media is on fire. I want just talk a little bit to maybe just say to everybody, to women especially. Now see what they go on between Proudmore with Frank Victor. Are they listening to this side, listening to this side? One thing where I want to talk, my people, we women, we need to respect ourselves, okay? Also, now the year, but I know the year me because I don't know whether I load the volume. We women, we need to respect ourselves. Now they hear me, I bet not tell me if I know they hear me, because I don't know whether I load the. May this year la dia. May I use the other phone to listen. May this year la dia. All right. Faith, thank you. God bless you, Faith. We women, we need to respect ourselves. I talk all the time. Sometimes when I do my audio, I say, if you not respect yourself as a woman, no wait say man go can't respect you. Now the truth. Because when God say bless us, we dead down. He go make take out the make shakara from man. He go say, me man tell you say, waiting now God dead there on your man say. If man tell you say now God na dead there, meaning you don't they talk to you, they tell and say, oh my say, because not be all men you supposed to they open your leg for. And the truth of the matter. I dey talk all the time. I say men then be galeto. Now know what it be galeto. Men then be hen. Ohoho okboru. Men then be okboru. Iyan dangbe. You will be woman. Now you go hold yourself tight. I know say some women they not fit hold their self tight. So once they just see man. Iyan wa miya. Good morning, Edith. Iyan wa miya. It dey like that. But if you not respect yourself, once man don't see your under, do not be anything again now. You not be anything again because now that way they find all men are almost the same. You understand? Because when sometimes we they talk say men they do this one. Now you woman, now you go respect yourself. Not be say man just call you say how are you? Well, one miane. You know they feel they hold yourself. I dey watch this Frank Victor with this Proudmore. I was like, oh my God, what did they go on? Because the way from Victor take talk, now the girl na bring and come. Anyway, anyone way bring and come, na shame and disgrace, both two of them. But now the woman get and pass. You understand? Why I say now the woman get and pass? The waiting they come out for your mouth, I was like, waiting they talk. You know, say sometimes you feel drink something before you can't lie. Some people they do. Person like me, I know they drink, I know they smoke. Easy, I know they. If I want to drink beer, you know the kind of beer where they drink. The one where not get alcohol. Now, so what this girl they talk come out from mouth? You don't know, say you they damage yourself. You they damage yourself. You know they damage from Victor. Hey, oh piano. Hey, my sister. I was like, oh my God, what are you saying? You they damage yourself, and you be mother. She talk and say she get boys. Hey, me I understand it. Sometimes when I they talk, good afternoon. Sometimes when they talk, I'll say I get boys, children. They know they understand. They don't want to understand though. Anybody will tell you say boys, children, they understand. Now like they tell you, they know they understand. If you fuck up, even though say their father and I fuck up, then go say now you. Then go say now you as a mother. Chocolate or say you come out. Come they talk wait till you with man do for inside house. They no. I was like, when I see the video, I just don't come out. Happy New Year, my brother. I just don't come out. I say, I wish can't be this one. Because the day where I see two of them, I was very happy. When I see that video, I even carry myself. Because I don't believe say they get anything together that time. It's like say presenter we presenter see each other. Now so me I think no. But when I come the year what it come they happen now say now saw this one now saw you name knock back. I bet my sister any woman, especially when you be single mother, I beg now your pikin I be first. No they carry anyhow ma they carry put for inside house so make come greet you. Your children go ask you say, Mom, you is this brother? You say na uncle, na my friend. Na my friend. You know when pikin never start to they talk, you go the thing say what you they do everything na the same. I greet you, Sayamore. You the thing say what you they do. Problem not there. I feel doing. Once your children don't they grow, my people. Hey, oh, not trying out. When they come, they ask you what kind of question. Are you a one way? Are you all one way? You go there, even they ask yourself, say, who can they tell you now all these things? They'll come they tell you the time when you they carry one come. Now so you carry the other one come that day, mommy. You remember that brother way baba here. You remember they'll come they ask because when pikin they small, they not talk now. Now later. If you be single mother, I beg, especially when you born for one, you with another day. You born for the second one, you with another day. When you use that sense, well, that means you not get sense again. If you not can use your sense, meaning the sense, because when you young, you don't born for two men, and you with that two man are not there. Now only you want to take care of the two children. Huh? You want to go carry another one. You not use your sense. Even to carry myself, say, I don't even know, shao. Because some women, they don't feel say, yama, now your picky of you wear or wear the first in when haka wa agba. What it concern you concern man, especially when your children they small. If you want even friend man self, not before your house. No. If the man say he want friend you, he ready. You as a woman, you feel go they see him. Not carry call your house away your children they onya man want say. Your children too small. If na hotel, white ajo, not be every man you go they present to your pikin like that. You carry proof for his house. Now how mad they carry? Even though say you say you know the person for social media, you not know the character because some people the character where they get for social media, not be they get for ordinary grant. Why some day now the one way get for social media, now you still get for grant. Now you still get. You just carry man because you know him. For social media, put for inside house, and the friend will not say, and that will not be friendship, oh. My people, only a friendship. Because before you say we are boyfriend and girlfriend, make sure say the tea don't go like 2-3 months. Because when you don't know person, I think they say 2 weeks. I don't know 2 weeks. You know if you just talk say wanna be boyfriend and girlfriend, no, wanna not be. boyfriend and girlfriend. Now just they know on self. To know yourself, it is different than we are now boyfriend and girlfriend. Now the truth. I know say some people they get that when they don't know person, you don't know and maybe 10 they go say na my boyfriend. No, you are not boyfriend and girlfriend. Una they know on self. Two different things. Because when you dey know yourself, you know if you just talk, say, after today, we are not boyfriend and girlfriend. No, my people. More than they get that thing from our brain. When you know man, first know am first. Whether now the waiting go work or now waiting not go work. So friendship day, if you just be say now only 1 month, you can see say the character not good. So I not feel they follow this kind of person they go. Now it happen now between two of them. Now it happened between two of them because they see say the character, it don't fit jam together. And from Victor there with Oyibo for house. From Victor there with Oyibo. Because the way from Victor tell us say, he can't tell and say, may just carry something. You know say some of our women, they do that thing well. When they see say you there with Oyibo, you go say, I probably not just there. But leave the Oyibo, may you come this time, may you come this stay. If you be man where get sense, use your number sense well. Or you burn not throw away you come up for house. If you carry your load, go meet that woman. Before you go carry your property, you go throw her for her side. You not care. You understand? If you burn not throw away you come up for us, you will just carry your load. Now no say some of our women they get pepper body well. And not be man supposed to the park load, go sit down for a woman house. No. As a man where you call yourself, now woman I go come stay with you. If really say una want to do the relationship, say, okay, from now we can't be boyfriend and girlfriend. I just see the story, everything just they get as it be. I say, I don't know who advised this proud mom, may she come out. If you now know, I'm gonna tell her me enter house. May she not come to disgrace herself. As for me, she dey disgrace herself as a woman. Because when woman come they talk, certain thing. Do I feel you they disgrace yourself. You know they disgrace that man. Because when person you come they'll say na man. Man feel they friend two, three women at the same time. But when woman go do, I go come be agia. That's what it be. Then make me they marry 2 wives, 3 wives, they'll put them for house. Woman, you not see woman where they marry 2 or 3 men go put them for house. No. Because something they where man go do, they'll say na man. Probably not they. Oh, why do where it go come be na make can so if women they talk some thing come out for man they'll say who mu we they may not ladia will know but when man talk nobody go tell and say who mu because there's an okbiano. So it's supposed now woman I go shame pass because now man I want marry you put for house tomorrow because of what they talk come out. Woman not care what man talk come out for man too or ma care. Woman not they care. Now woman I go see marry her. But when man go come marry woman where they talk about that bidi come out from mouth, they use the eye till they look at. I don't know whether now they understand the way they talk. Certain thing when man go they talk. If woman talk and go come be say now I don't walk or what na hina get me not tell dia will know. But when man go talk and you go see stuff say get me not tell but you go not okbiano. You know, now so it be. So now woman is supposed to respect itself. When you see man, not they open your body like that. I can't tell this one don't go, the other one don't go. So women there like that. Man go he go get boyfriend. If friend go give out to another friend. Before he go because some women here want they go be anonymous say, especially when the man come honor the virgin they will just they peace for body. They know they think another thing. Respect yourself. Now, if you don't respect yourself, nobody will respect you. You not see now say, Frank Victor with this proud mom, they don't see themselves. Maybe Frank Victor yate mo chaka chaka. The time when they never see themselves or respect you know, omeke na akuse, omeke na agwanse. You don't say when woman come and say, now so is something small. Now so no, nobody even bloody care. But when man will come to describe woman something, now so it be, now so it not be. All people they will say na truth. Yeah, we matter no. Because okbiya, Then be galeto. Dangbe. When you finish for your house, if you see another one, they dangbe. Or when you not by the dangbe, now you woman, I go talk say no. Not be so I say need you. Not be so I say need person. If I need person for my life, before you present man, especially una money when you get small children, I beg. First they look the kind of man. First, make that friendship, That friendship no can wait bene. This woman, Melissa. I not be Melissa, I be untouchable mama. We get the same voice. Roland, I not be Melissa, I be untouchable mama. Wait first, make the friendship fair grow. Before you go present your children to any man where you know say you want friend. Because you know if he carry A today, you go say no good, na bad head. Or maybe na A, na leave you. You go carry B. You go say, I think say go good or na 2 weeks. I can't tell anyway. They come they can't follow you. How many men you don't follow? Some women, they not even they think like that. So some women not they think. If you not respect yourself, no man go respect you. No day now. You know they. So a good man woman they respect himself. Also man also. But now woman is supposed to respect himself first. If my job toast you, kaya nguya one. Fete can't tell now. Don't be say that moment wanna just you work here no na. You go say you're not easier. That's what men they talk or some men they talk or some men they talk. American ya go just they talk out, they talk and he just say me we come hotel. He just say me I come in house. No say they talk like that. You go say I know when you want your why I just go there. No. As we women they talk. Now so some men still they talk. Now say me I just come in house. I just go there. I just do one. I bet the thing not there my mind again. Especially when the man he not forget you for mind. Or my own local friend you. Now no say some men then I go say I don't need any relationship where they tight. You know. If you they carry picking, they go man tell you say me man got a relationship in no work, but what you can't define they go for them. Thank you for the star. God bless you. God bless you. I really appreciate you. So what you can't define for them? Women, I they talk all the time. Women, please respect yourself. I not say more than not friends. I say see go more that you are free to friend a man. That one not be saying you're not friend. But know the kind of man where you want friends. No carry and come house. Make the man they tell you say I want to know your heart. And I say never reach. Or my say my dying winner. I never know you like that. I just carry you go my house. I don't know the kind of person where you be now. You don't move where you maybe na mad person that you carry go house. You go come they disturb you for under your this under your this for gate. You go come they press. No say some men they like that. Aleru na ya de kunda. Some men where their hair not correct. The men here. Because if you don't carry and come your house, you don't know your house. You can't tell them say maybe you don't want again. Now every day go they press your bell. Now so you go they call up baleg before them. Because now you let them know your house. First of all, so why can't I if you don't want to go see for hotel, wanna go to see for hotel. The best. At least you go don't reach don't reach like 6 months where you don't they know and they go. Before you go know where you dey. Because of the sake of your children. Because of the sake of your children. Don't carry any man, can't carry proof for his house. Your children come they can't follow you say, now this one come today. Mommy, the day where they'll start to they ask you, mommy, the other one where come that day, what it be ne? Where do I move where? When children, no say picking whether they born for abroad, then they're very, very smart. Then they talk for school. For school, if you reach house, if you reach school, the miss go tell me, she say, hey, auntie, you know waiting. One uncle come to expect that Jamie won and John. I not even the fear say that you go say one uncle come my mommy place. He stay 2 weeks. He stay 3 weeks. Another one still come that day. He can't stay 10 days. They'll come the suspect. Okay, you draw me henters like say it not good, It not good. More than they use on a brain, Picking whether they born for they talk anyhow. Then they will talk. You go sometimes when they'll ask you some questions, they ask yourself, say, I've been a person tell them, may ask me. I've been a person tell them. All these things where just they happen, where from Victor with I pray may from Victor not come out again because I started talking if we more jive no more or something like that. May they not get shame for eyes, we go there for party. He go toast 2 or 3 guests for inside that party. Maybe 1 or 2 go follow. Or what bon wa. But when woman will do one, it go come be no go. If you not respect yourself. That's all. You go say, no man, that one, don't still go. The other one, yeah, don't still go. Yeah, with every year my hand. It's bad. If you know somebody know what that's the way they under. Yeah, my hand. Not be anybody go just the opener for. Problem not there. Because I say chop and clean mat. No. When you get picking, chop and clean mat or making a west. No. Especially when you get your children. Then they talk for school. Well. Be careful. Then they talk. Wait till they not even ask them, then they talk passive. They'll come they do one kind because they're not gonna know who be uncle, who be my mommy friend, who not be mommy friend. Tomorrow that one go come, you go present and say na my friend. Another one go come. They worry them for brain, oh. They affect for brain. Well. Because you they feel say maybe you want now your life. I want to do my life. I still young. Yes, you still young, but they do it for outside. Not do it with your children. They not do it for their present. Not let them even know, say you even get safe. If you want to outside, go take, not be your house. Because the one where you go carry come today, not good, you go constantly carry another one. And a good way, make woman get good character. Because when some women they talk, say they not, it go say, I don't feel I friend that one and not get character. You carry another one and not get character. Meaning go down well because you not feel your born for 2 months or 3 months. You say the men not get character. Now you not can be bad, we not gonna get character now. Now you be careful. Respect yourself. If you not respect yourself, man no will can't respect you. And the way you take put yourself, now man go take the way you say, oh no, now what respect take bay. That woman don't take way I don't they talk to her. He no grief for me, oh I might me email. Oh, says God, good evening, my sister. I might me email. I said, don't they talk. So women they like that, You go see say man, just they follow up and down. You go say no, I want me I first see the kind of man where you be. I not just say me, me will just go because some men they why only what do chop. You go come chop your oka, you go come up for them. Oh, and you hear it, you go say, not be that kind of woman I need. Because you don't see inside. If you never see inside, you go be good for her. More than they look the kind of man one wants. The way where they say they do, the character where they get, the way where they say they talk, it's very, very important. If man they talk for math. If not that kind of man now you need, good and fine. If not that kind of man now you need. When you need, make us stay with you with Mandali, God will bless you. Make us stay with you with your family. If not that kind of one that you need, good and fine. Because not the person, anyway, I don't normal. No, I don't normal. I is a boyfriend normal. But if some men say you go feel still say you go change them, but some men yeah change our war. You go say maybe you go change, Fair watch out. If na person will go change. If not be person will go change. Hey Joe, what you want go do for inside there? What you want go do for inside there? Now that kind of person now you want say you want come born for. No. And even Frank Victor self never ready to leave Oibo. Frank Victor yeah mwegbe no ya se boy. Oh yeah dangbe. Okbe ano na man. Oh dangbe. Anyone way come go see. Oh be mujo. Na man be. Because even with Oibo, they not be say they married, they never married, they just they together. Oh, dangbe. So anybody where want see chuki head, he goes see chuka and go say, so women they like that, they not care. Oh. They not care. Go say, so far I don't go with that man. So women just they like that. I not say, but if you get picking, lao will go. We are talking about the future of your children. Think about the future of them. Anything where you do now, they wait for you. They wait for them. Because now your mouth now you take vomit and come out. You go say region what they say. Now make some children in respect because they no kunu ya ladian. Region what they say. Now so this my mother still be. You know when they respect the mother. Make children. Never. Not all say them they understand. Never. You understand. If they don't catch you for one thing, and that eye then they'll take they look you. If they catch you for one thing, especially on this nyama way person they do, you are free to friend them for outside. Carry go hotel. Not let your children they see you today. na John come next tomorrow because John no good again. Why am we pitare? E pita manale ma why ya tonwe mu because you say you still young. You still young. Yes, respect yourself. Find better one. Okba wa daiji. Because some people they think say they're young. And they not baby na nya wa be phone. All your wa be lava where you they old they go. Every blessed day we say they old. We know they young. We know they young. So my people, I just use God say beg, proud more. If you see this my video, my sister, you know see I'm not gonna insult you. I not be that kind of person where go see person. Maybe they pass through something where I'm but no. Pick sense for his side. Respect yourself, my sister. For the sake of your children. For the sake of your children. Then they grow come. Then they grow come. Anything will happen between you and Frank Victor. It don't happen, it don't happen. But from now, learn how to cover leg. You know? I'm not saying you're not friends. You are free to do that. But not be all men you will carry put for house. I know say maybe now because you say Frank Victor na person where they do live video and I make her come your house, okay, good and fine, can't help you. But to come go they do all that nyama thing and I do more like in social media and they'll use it against you tomorrow. Some people feel come out now, they think say they with you. Near higher boy, they go, you wear this one, they name it that one. Like so now do one for inside house, nobody here with it come out. I didn't hear it up my way for not hear anything. We for not hear anything to do something hide for inside house and come carry and come. That one a normal thing and social media. This one go top. Oh, person will not feel like you before go use and take beat you. Will not feel like Frank Victor be like Frank Victor is a man, okay? I not come here come talk say Frank Victor. If you see any woman, no. Now woman is supposed to get sense. Now woman, I make me talk about proud mom. Oh, who all respected by. Even though say me you tell me say me they respect himself. Now okbiya no. Okbiya. Once Mark see 3 women pass, he go turn, he go even though say na with his wife they waka they go. He go turn go look them. Na me then they talk say ikbiya okboru yan yan dan gbe. Okay ya fian wo. Okay ya dan le wo. Now woman is supposed to get sense. Some men, then still they respect themselves well. Not be say they know they respect. But woman, if you not respect yourself, no expect say one man go come out from one corner, go come respect you. Especially as said, this proud man just they do so now. You know, say anything where they for social media, the whole world now they see. The whole world, all day. You're supposed to keep yourself. Something don't happen. It not go where fine and good, not carry on social media. I they hate that thing well. Anything at all, say you with person do you just carry and come for social media. You the thing say maybe to beat the other one. Sometimes if you can't reason now you they let yourself down. Now you they let yourself down. Who respected by who go away. Who go away. Even though say the man they there, some women they for 3 months so they are go and lawyer area on there because the woman know if they respect it say go say once you don't go inside you go throw away me. I want me I see the kind of person where you be. It my woman okay. It my woman okay. I don't feel just as you just they talk to me because I say I love you or you fine or maybe you be that kind of man where I want. I'll just fall put. Once you don't fall put, go come tell you say you do I fear baby yeah. I not their house. I not do this one because they don't see the under. You don't see them. Look for better person where you want. Me at least if person don't born 1 or 2. I don't know what you defend it going. Why you go looking 1 or 2 is okay. Now abroad we did not be Nigeria when they even they bought 4. If that Nigeria say yeah give a BA4 safe. They don't they do again because they don't know say the pikin where you will feel born where you will feel train. He be. You know say now unstoppable now one not be lying. Now make me the talker now. As you know from Victor, say na person where you like. You know say you know fit tell person say this person where you like not follow. You know say from Victor now now Igbo e dey with. Therefore, they do one that is, hello, how are you? Because they go on like that, with phone. They see, if na person we really like, because you know, say, as Frank Victor, uno some men, their man not good as Frank Victor, on social media, everywhere. But it start say, no be as in be for live video, not be so still be for grand, or you know, I listen to them. You call the watch and the kind of person where it be. But John wrong, go open leg for that first time where come greet you. You or now your man will say. Because he saying go for help. They no worry any cool, something like that. No, you go say, you know, say when men come meet you for house, especially when you now they talk together, you want friend the girl. If the man tell you say, give me a bed in here, just tell and say, hey, oh, I tell you, the first anyway, why you say Kenny, why I go bed now? I might say at least may we fair the next time where you come. Maybe next time where you go come, you go sit why you are cool? Maybe for sit say whether now waiting you go fit. If not be waiting why where. That's what it's supposed to be. Not be say the man just come today. He can't help you for something when I work your hand. No respect. Never. We never respect you. Some men see they use until they see whether this woman are that kind of person where I go fit carry or I not go fit, you know, they still they use them like that. Just see you for the first time, go want see the kind of person where you be, the kind of woman where you be. It's still there. Some men they use them, man, they watch you if you be. As we women still they try to, now some men still be, now some men still be. Because, okay, Frank Victor, the text Frank Victor say, Ihama, you know, that thing was very, very bad. As a woman, if you want to try man like that, not be as you don't know, no. If they make man head, they go foreigner. Go make your head go gaga. You don't know me. Even though say na joke, now you even joke. You go make her wrong. Especially now where we there now, no man want picking a girl. Hey. Need them more again now because they don't need them. What did they need? They're different. Because our women, some of them, then they use picking to the whole man, which is very bad. Even though say the man tell you say we go marry, you know me say as you don't know today, tomorrow now go do marriage. No, with time. No, say some of our women, they know the reason. I go say, since he say we go marry, and we just start now, we just come marry. No be so. With time. If you be the right person, we go marry. You know me say, tell you say, I promise you say, I go marry you now. Because a marriage, not be waiting. You fit talk come out like this. Before you marry any man or woman. Make sure say una don't date for his house for the same house for 6 good months. May you tell know the kind of person where you with and want to stay together. I want to when marriage, I want marry. I feel promise you say yes, we go marry. Because we dey play. Now with time. You know me say na urgent. You know me say na urgent marriage. Because man we just I do. Wa die hengbe. We don't know each other. So my people, mona still they use na brain. Especially women. Because some women they just dead desperate. So marriage, I want marry. No, not be so. Not be any person will just sit like that because the man tell you say I want marry. Who are rule? Go put money for my head. Now so they tell they work. Not be so they work. I was very honest. You supposed to sit down. They look at the kind of person will be, which work they work. Una go feed they do as family. I can't get any here because if you not look out that one, you go say, oh, okay, me I just don't want go marry. You go marry. Tomorrow we not there again. You carry another one, we don't marry. Next tomorrow we not there again. No, marriage now something where you say something where is strong. Now marriage be once you don't enter inside, and not balekbo and not they do again. I know say divorce day, but I can't anyway. This one not be the first. This one not be the second. Oh, before you marry anybody, I beg my people. Waka bogba to say 6 months, a year, more than day together inside house. May you for know the kind of person we be. I want move it on. Go put money for my head. And from today now we don't come be husband and wife. No, my people. So proud mom. I don't know person where they tell you say maybe they come out for Frank Victor. My sister, as for me, you dey disgrace yourself. I must tell you the truth. Now the truth I dey tell you. As you talk and reach, it's enough. You don't even talk and too much self. Hey, get but I know say you not take over. Anything where they your mind, if you do one. But as for me, people feel they tell you, say, Fran Victor, down, no, knock, no. Now you, wait till they come out for your mouth. And yeah, use against you tomorrow. When go set a gate for between you and that or the other one. Yeah, do act better. And so then they do, they'll call the player. Come on, I can't listen to what they talk. Useless woman, and name the other one. Now, so it be my sister. Anything went on social media. It be my budget. So my sister, just come on for this saga way they do. Face your business. Face your family. That one don't go like that. It go like that. Okay, good and fine. Then follow up with what you they do, my sister. Not cause they do all this one, because the more when we are tired, the more when people go they say they insult you, and that insult is not good. Your children they grow, they come, Your children they grow, they come. So Fran Victor, I beg my brother, where they type Benabani, since when I don't see una nakedness, Since when I don't see what you want see. Now so it be once person don't see nakedness, they'll come they talk about that bidi. The time when they never see, I tell you know. So Fran Victor, enough is enough, my brother. Okay, me as a touchable mama, me I know say 95 years. If Frank me am gbe no yari oho, I'm wait to no ya be. You never ready. You never ready at all. At least we still they see the way we tell they do. Now the truth I they talk, If you change mind though, but as for me, if you ask me today now. This boy don't ready 95 years. I'll tell you, say no, never ready. You marry a gonfo. At the end, I like after we don't get it, you do a real life. Before I go say, hey, he wants settle down. Or my work be no ya settle down. That kind of person. No, my work be. So, Fran Victor, please, my brother. All this nyaga, it don't do. Or salary on the at least you still go in house because of the sake of the children. Hey, lad, even though say she would they come herself, not come at it, they just leave her. You don't talk what you want to talk, it's enough. Proud mom, the same with you, my sister. Who respect a woman. If you not respect yourself, Fran Victor, respect you. Be having no hammer back where the same not go still respect you. Now, woman is supposed to respect herself, okay? Who respect it, any woman will not respect herself. No way same man will respect you. Never. Because as you take care of yourself, now some man will take respect you. Alright? As you take care of yourself, no man will take respect you. Not be say you not carry yourself well, and woman must get character. Me character. Woman have character. Even though say you find from here, go reach Jerusalem. You are your own. Where you are. Now the truth, you must get your character, that character. Be a go and where we all done not be say when man go they talk or where we all not say a friendship in here work. No work. That's what it be. I not say for our place now. You must try to say. I know say abroad don't change many things. So abroad really change many things. Because if they do jaga, now so this one can't go wrong. Jaga, this the other one go wrong. Because our men, they make them no want marry again. They don't want to, anything married that they wrong. If you say to friends, our friends, they don't want again. No men want marry again. I beg. I just got to beg una, wanna let all these things get done your very own. Fran Victor, for the sake of that children where they beg wages, the woman is your mom, okay? Not when they talk anything again. Even though say truth, they will lie, they will not pay. People don't want hear again. It's enough. Proud mom, also the same with you. Remember, say, meet me army. They know they understand. Okay? They know they understand. Because I see say you they talk and say, now me, meet me army. Say then they go understand. Now lie, you understand. Me who understand. Me be you understand. Lie, because they know say that mentality for me. They don't get that from their brain. No, or be no understand. My mommy, you must go friend another man. No, if you leave your, they go say if you leave their papa, may you do like that. Marry, because they don't want use I see another man go come they touch their mother. Now the truth, they don't need that. Cause a jealousy it dey for them. Even they jealous of you. Another man will come they touch you. How are you? No, they don't need that. Omo who I understand. Omo bia we never understand. Once you with your father not there, you say be like just day like that. Not follow another male. Why you? And so my people, I see now, I greet all of you now. See my lovely sister there. My people, that's why I just say me, I just talk small. Now no say me, I know come and come, you saw this one, you saw that one, they not do me anything. Especially when they not even do me anything. I'll just come and come, they sort. I know I'll just give my little advice. If they'll take, they take, they not take, no problem. I do not have any problem. Oh, this thing that. Yeah, I know from Victor no I felt talk and say from Victor na ma. Oh, me I disgrace be. So no say some people say no man they disgrace yourself. Now now why you marry who? But one woman can they do what from Victor they do. The maid they can they use I tell they look am. I won na ye jo wa. E yi ona ngbo no gare yo wa. Am ngbo no gare yo wa. Aba yawo. Na so e be. But when man go they do anyhow, because now they marry woman put for house. And they marry woman put for house. Are you the one married? They go say, he marry who no go anyhow. Wow, wow, type no ho you know something like that. Oh, yeah, go no ho eh? But who nya that's what it be, my people. That make now woman, that go respect itself. Man respect it, but now you know. And you know, that's what it be. So, my people, I don't still talk my little one to everybody. I don't say I know the tomorrow they say. I see everybody. So, God bless you. Wow, Madam Lee, God will bless you for your star. I appreciate you. Good afternoon. I greet everybody. I really appreciate you now. So, may we stop this saga. And all this something of saga, my people. Now, know what they call sound like that. Ask me your comment now. I just comment. Pradmo. If what your bonnet. Or if I want to come do one like this, as I put the Pradmo for there, I'll say Pradmo or Prad shameless or Prad useless or Prad neneni. No, I don't do one. It don't make sense. Now make a saga not go finish. If you see him, go say you insult me. I never insult you before. You go come and go come insult. Or Fran Victor. I'll say Fran Mumu, Fran neneni, Fran goat, Fran this one. Any of your saga ya. More and more. Why will I do that? Why? They offend me. Not be their team then they do. They are the two of them they quarrel. Ask me, I go come, they'll come put fire. No, I don't put fire. I'll try to hold fun. If they hear. They not hear, good and fine. I don't still talk my own. That's what it be. So now make saga, they go on all the time. If you reach there, this one go the curse. If you reach the other one, not mine and useless thing. It be a guy, don't put his leg. Advice on. Some people, they get problem for brain. If you know advice, I know. You know where if I made mistake. Now the truth. If I made mistake, you correct me. Not with insult. I go pick. But when you want to advise me, you can't insult me. If you are dead, don't go die. That's what it be. I make me they do my still like that. Not be say I the fear saga. But I see say if person do me, you go pay me. Why I go do another person? I make me they do my people like that. So if you with anybody not get misunderstanding, the issue there for social media, you want to talk yes or your way. Because if one yes or your way, the other person go see get mad to curse you. That's why I see my people. I don't know the way we not test you. I love you, my sister. God will bless you. But man, not supposed to talk like that. Man, not supposed to talk like that for woman. I know. Who talk? Who that no way message in it? My name I be want see who write that message. He say man, but man not supposed to talk like that to woman. That one are truth. Man not supposed to talk. Since when me does this social media, I believe say Fran Victor never talk to me anyhow. You understand? Because any name with Belenji no. If I go find the trouble, then go come talk to me anyhow. That's what it be. You get one video where from Victor talk, or no, he said, they talk to all women. The time where I pick, now remember, I do one video that one time where I can't say from Victor, where one day was to say, over the house. I now remember I do one. But when he can't do one video, he can't talk. So when they talk about women, they talk to all women. Now some of them, now there I withdraw. I'm not going to talk again. Now remember, depends where you put yourself. Now man go to respect you. Now man go to respect you. If you not put yourself well, that door will roll your way. Or they roll your way, me look my way. I know say unwe from Victor ma. Even the talker. The one wait till I tell life from Victor, the talker, he go say in math not good. He go say unwe ma. He know say in math not good. You understand? You know when you go open a way. And sometimes all the way till they talk, you know they mean now. Na person wey still dey like me as I be the read person. You are read dumb. If Frank a bad mind. No. A bad mind because I dey see some posts. Sometimes I go dey carry a video. I dey see wetin they do sometimes. Person wey with and dog back gbege of your day, happy birthday. He goes, you know, I dey see and say sometimes they do some comedy. Really? Ready? I don't understand you. Good morning, Matt. Your topic is interesting, but the audio not good. Oh my God. Maybe not my network. Sorry, maybe not network. Nobody tell me since. I don't even know. Maybe not the network. Sorry. No, Francis will not be bad person. I don't know, say the audio not good. Now for 10 minutes since now, I go change the network. Maybe not the network, I dey very sorry. From Victor not be bad person. I don't read that say not be bad person, no. Now person wey dey jovial, person wey like to play with person. In even the talk away, unu yema. Now not say some people be like that. If they talk, the way we take they talk, that if you can't know, say na that kind of person, you know can't only kind one job, So now it be so because of waiting they go on, I make me just come out, come talk to them. Make the law go beg for the sake. From Victor, more where here, because of say she don't get speaking. You understand? Not come they come out again, come they talk about her. I pray may Proudmore also may she still understand say more because anything where you talk come and there for social media, I know they come out. Social media now, anything where you did 5 years ago. If you want to come out today, go still come out. Okay, clear. It's good. Maybe it's from. Okay, maybe not for inside. And so my people, I love you all. Me, I live on me, I go do my thing. Mona still go do nothing, So one love keep us together. Now bye bye. Now no say. Memo button or no boom I don't still talk my own because I just see some women. I'll still they talk about women. Now no say memo but they don't burn it down. I be woman also. If they burn it down. If I see say my woman they do anyhow. If I say I not talk to you, I not talk to you. But if I want me I talk to you, I will talk to you. Not come claim say you did right. No. The more when you say I want come defend myself, you the worst the thing. What was there? We are telling no matter what is the need? Especially for social media. What matter why them muri? Matter at all. Now for you leave everything as until don't finish. You don't finish. No need to say who right, who not right. The friendship or man say me rock mama way. You know even reach wait till the 2 months, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, only 2 weeks now it be. Now only 2 weeks. Or my say na yawa time where we don't be boyfriend and girlfriend. No. Even when you deal with person self for 3 months, I take the boyfriend and girlfriend self. I observe. You see they look whether with the thing go good, whether we go feel stay together, whether we go feel tell people say we be boyfriend and girlfriend. One love, my people. Keep us together. Now bye bye. I appreciate you. Now so now take on. God go bless you. Now more help me share this. More help me share. Now make them see. Make them still pick for inside. The one where they not still like. Make them throw one. The one where they still say like. They still like. They'll see pick on. Mandali, God go bless you. Okunzuwa. I really appreciate you. One love. Now bye bye. Wanna go do nothing. I love you all. Ciao. Bye bye.